The next thing is if you have a lot of numbers where you need to make condition. You want to make choices. In this example, let's have a look and see. We have last name and first name of students. They get scoring in a test like you will do if you take the workshop. But the number of scores is important, but actually what the student really important is they failed or passed. If you have 6, you can do it yourself. If the rule is lower than 50, it's a fail, higher than 50, it's a pass. You could write it down. But let's assume you have 1,000, 100, 1,000,000. You can't do that, and it's just too time consuming. That's why we can use the computer power in Excel to build a simple logic, like a little program in a way. What we have is the statement of an if statement. If statement is one of the basic fundamental formulas you can use a lot of with, and you can actually use it to transform data. And what it consists is about 3 different elements. It's a check, a condition that can be true or false. And if it's true, then we say, then do something, write something output. And if it's not true, do something else. Check if the condition is true, then do something. If not, do something else. And in this example, which I've written down here, Hendrick received a score of 60. So the score 60, the condition checks if 60 is bigger than 50. If that is true, in this case it is, return the word pass. If not, just return the word fail. So we have the condition x is bigger than 50, return pass. If not, return fail. And we can apply that for the entire column, and automatically the system will then make the deduction and really fill in the fields for us automatically. If condition, then pass. Let's see that in action. Sorry. Sorry, my computer froze for a second. What I'm saying is, let's see if we can apply that for our scenario by transforming the order quantity. So we have order in the numbers, I want 5, 10, 6, but there's too much detail. Let's break it down into small orders and large orders. Less than 5 small orders, more than 5, that's a large order. That's all we actually really care about. We see the order here, and we can see the order amount really goes down to 17. Cool. We're injecting another column. It's going to take a second. Order class. And we write an if statement. If, bracket up, that value is bigger than 5. We have written a condition with bigger, smaller, equal. If it's bigger than 5, it's a large order. If not, it's a small order. Condition, value, if that's true, condition if not. Enter. The system, computer is unfortunately a bit slow today, I apologize for that. And it fills in automatically. And you can see, if you scroll down, these are all large orders. We have a small, this is a small order. 3 is small, rest is large. So we're able to take an abstract number and break it down instantly, and we can change the order. We can make that whatever we want, have more categories in there. But it helps you to get order and structure to the data we're working.